Can e-cigarettes impact your lung health? James expert Dr. Peter Shields is leading a study to find out.
There's a lot we know about electronic cigarettes. There's a lot we don't know. We're going to ask smokers to enroll. Some of those smokers will be randomized to continue smoking their regular cigarette. Some will be randomized to the use of electronic cigarette. Some will be randomized to quitting smoking using nicotine replacement therapy.
What do you think you'll find?
What we might find is that e-cigs, compared to quitting by cold turkey or using nicotine replacement therapy or medication, may still cause some damage compared to never using the e-cig.
Who should enroll in this study?
We're looking for anyone from the ages of 21 to 45. They have to be healthy. We will pre-screen them, give them a medical examination.
How do they enroll?
We have a dedicated toll-free number and a dedicated email, and so we're trying to make it as easy as possible.
Email or call the number on your screen to learn more.